Alright, good morning. So on this video we are just gonna do a little simple Easter bunny bags for Peach's school. So I got the paints from Dollar Tree. I got the little spray bottles from Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna pour just a little bit into the spray bottle, just a little bit, and then add just a little water. So it don't take much, and mix it up with water. Also, paper bags are found at Dollar Tree. Super easy, easier than a paintbrush. And you just spray little splatters on the bags. And we're gonna go in with our second color. We just did purple. Okay, we just did purple, so I am going to follow up with orange. Just a few drops. That's how much. And then we're going to add a little water. Okay, we added a little water. That's about how much water. And then we shake. Shake like you mixing up a paint can. It's still kind of thick. You don't want it super watery. You don't want it super thick. So you can still hear it's kind of thick. This one is a little thin, so I'm gonna add like 2 more drops of orange. Okay, so I added about 3 more drops of orange, and now you can tell it's a little thicker. Okay, so now we're gonna spray on our next color. So we just did the purple, so we're gonna do the orange. And when I finish these, I'm gonna rinse them out. I'm not gonna use all of my spray bottles because I'm gonna use some for alcohol for the kids in school to spray away those germs. Side note, but that's why I'm not filling them all the way up. Just a little bit for the front and back of the bags. Rinse them out. Add your next colors. These gonna be the next colors because it's Easter, so I want my blue and pink to be the main colors, and the orange and purple will be the background colors. Shake it up. I've already done the purple. I'm just gonna show you. Shake it up. Spray. See how it comes out all nice and splattery? So, and I just laid it on a garbage bag, a plastic garbage bag, and I laid some on a black poster board. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some orange. Okay, so I sprayed some orange. And if it gets on the floor, it's water-based paint. It'll just wipe right up. These are going to be so cute for Mika's classroom, her friends. I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss any spots. And we're gonna let this dry, flip it over, and do purple and orange again. Wait on that to dry, and then we'll start our next 2 colors. All right, family. That's what it's looking like right now. And we're just gonna let that dry. Okay, all rinsed out. I use 1 little drop of Dawn per bottle. Hot water, shook it up, let it sit, rinsed it out, and we're moving on to the next 2 colors, which is gonna be the pink and the blue. So far, we have the orange and purple on, and this is what it's looking like. So we're moving on to the pink and the blue. Okay, I've started the pink one. The blue, and shake it up. So I'm gonna shake these a little bit more, and then we'll get started again. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Front and back. excuse the chicks, guys. I'm making bunnies, but we have chicks. Okay, so the next step, I just cut like a triangle in the middle to make the bunny rabbit ears. So you just cut up and down like a V just to make the bunny rabbit ears. Okay, so these are some little tags, wooden tags that I got from Dollar Tree. On the back, it's gonna say, "From Mika, Happy Easter." So this will be on the bags. And then I saw these cute little bunny tails, bunny butts at Dollar Tree. Got pink and blue. They were so adorable. And then I have some little stuffers that I'm gonna stuff the bags with. Some little carrots. All right. Okay, finished product. I think they turned out adorable. I really do. With the little tails on the back. I think they turned out adorable.